And the first benefit we find here in this verse from knowing Jesus by faith is that now, because of your faith in Jesus, there is peace with God. Peace with God. How many of you have ever had a big brother, or you had a younger brother, and the two of you were found wrestling in the living room, and one of you gets the upper hand on the other? And what's that famous saying when you want the fight to end? Say, uncle. And when someone says, say, uncle, it means that the battle is over, that they have surrendered, and there's somebody that is the victor, and there's someone that's the loser. Well, before you and I came to Jesus, there was an all-out war for our souls. And you and I, before we came to Christ, by faith, we were living for ourselves. We did what we wanted. We lived as we thought was best. And as we did so, our loving Heavenly Father was fighting for us. And really, the victory, it was all paid for by Jesus. But you and I have to come to a place in our lives of brokenness, or a recognition that says, I don't have it in me to please God, and I need someone to help me. And you have to come to the place in your life where you surrender to Jesus and His love. Now, if you've had an experience in life like me, an individual that walked away from the Lord and went my own way in high school and found myself in all kinds of problems, I can look back now and I can say that there was a definite battle that was waging for my soul. There was a certain part of me that said, hey, I want to do what is true and what is right, but I found myself so often choosing that which was wrong. My conscience was always bothering me. I was always trying to justify why I was choosing to sin, why I was choosing drugs and alcohol in my life. But the Lord was at the same time trying to get my attention every step of the way. But the moment that I came to Jesus, the moment that I personally said, uncle, and gave my heart to the Lord, I found that I had an immediate peace in my life with God. And I can remember when I first came to Jesus, as so many of us can, when the Lord finally won the victory in our hearts, I remember stopping and saying, wow, for the first time and as long as I can remember, there is peace in my heart and there is peace in my mind. Now, there's a saying that goes like this: K-N-O-W Jesus and K-N-O-W peace. No Jesus, N-O, no peace, N-O. And that is certainly true. Without Jesus in my life, I can attest to you that I had no peace. I certainly had no peace with God, and there was definitely a war that was waging for my soul. And I might add that there is nowhere else to find peace but in one person, and His name is Jesus.